So, yeah, this is done. Okay, this question, answer. Try eliminating it. Which one? The rightmost side. I'm talking about this question, okay? Yeah. So I'm getting two C's as the answer. The first one, the NAND gate. So you're always seeing this one. So that's it. That is there only in option C. Correct. Everyone got option C as the answer. I think too easy. Shall I go to next one? I think yes. 33rd one. The circuit equivalent to. So put 1 and 0 and see. 1 0, I'm getting what? 1 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. So complement is 0. 0 complement is 1. 0. So it is neither NAND or NOR. A. Correct. If you're putting 1 and zeros, you will be getting. The logic here is put 1 and 0. So it's option A. I think everyone got option A as the answer. I think it is too easy, I think so. Yeah. Thirty-ninth one. Thirty-ninth one. I'm getting one answer as D. Others. 39th one. What is the answer? See, guys, simple way of doing is what? This is A plus B the whole complement, right? And this is what? The double complement. This is basically A plus B only. So add everything. 0 plus 1 It should be 1, right? If this is 0 and if this is 1, this option is gone. Option A is gone. 0 plus 0. If it is both are 0, option B is also gone. Then option C is also gone. Option D is the answer. Is it clear for everyone? Pranav, now is it clear? First, do the complement. Add everything. A plus B the whole complement. This kind of question we cannot substitute and see. It might take some time. Or else it should be that much kind of expertized for the sake. Yeah. I hope it's clear. Kaustubh, Sahana, Sahana, is it clear? Let me know the chat option. Perfect. Very good, Sahana. See, these gate questions were there when we had transistor. Now you don't have transistor. Okay, that's the reason I'm not doing those. Do this thing. Here also same mechanism. A dot B the whole complement. And this is basically what? A dot B. Which is what is the answer 57th one? Is it clear for everyone? 57th and gate. Each and everyone in the chat, please message me this one. If it is clear or not clear. It's too easy. Okay. Let me see who and all is saying not clear here. Varsha, did you understand this? Perfect. Then okay. First question. 51st one. Let me know the answer. 51st question. For nickel, yeah, good that you told me one option. See, or if one of the output is 0 and other is 1 also, it is 1, right? 1 plus 1 is also 1. So option B is the answer. Either of both the inputs are 1. Either or both of the inputs are 1. Option B is the answer in this. It is OR gate. OR gate means addition. 0 plus 1 is what? 1. 1 plus 1 is what? 1. So either one of the variable should be 1 or one of the input should be 1. Gopal and Nikhil, is it clear? Yeah, but good that you guys are putting out the options. Whether it's right or wrong, this is a way to go forward. 67th question. What is answer? 67th one. Try eliminating it. AND gate. OR gate means what? 1 plus 0 should be what? 1. OR gate is not the thing. NOR gate. 0 plus 0 should be what? 1. 0 plus 0 should be equal to 1. So this is also not a thing. 0 into 0 is equal to 0. So it's AND gate. NAND gate is 1. So option A. We have to eliminate fast and we have to get the answer. Yes. Correct. Very good. Nikhil Hasani. Pranav, good. At least you tried it. NOR gate is what, Pranav? NOR gate is nothing but what? Second. What happened? Yeah. NOR gate is 0 plus 0, 1. Correct. But if it is 1 plus 0, what should be the value? So it's not the NOR gate also. Pranav, is it clear? Yeah. AND gate. AND gate is the correct answer. Okay. 69th question. Those who does not know XOR gate, see, it is basically what? A exclusive B. A exclusive B is nothing but AB bar plus A bar B. That is my XOR gate. See, first thing in this is, first thing in this is we have to see what gate is this. It is kind of OR gate, and we are having two inputs, right? So to eliminate what? AND gate, multiplication and this one. Both the things are, it's always between OR gate and XOR gate. This will become what here? A bar. This will become what here? This is my A. This is what? My B bar. So I'll be getting, this is my B. A bar B, and this is my AB bar. So add both the things. So I'll be getting what? XOR gate. Answer is XOR gate. Simple thing. Something which is not gate. Even if you don't XOR gate also, you will come to know it is not OR gate. OR gate is simple addition. There is no complement. Even if you don't XOR gate also, you can do it. Yeah. So I think almost all the questions are done. I think one more question, I think it's there. I think so. Let me check. These questions are too easy. 87th question. Truth table. No, that is also kind of same only. Easy question. Okay. 75th question we'll do. Which of the following will have the output 1? Try eliminating. This is 1 and 1. Correct. So output is what? 0. Try eliminating. 0 and 1. Option C, what about it? 0 and 1, the complement is 0 into 1, 0. Complement of that is 1. So now only I got option C as the answer. I'm not even trying to do the other things. Option D is exclusive. A bar B. Okay, this is something, this is XNOR gate. That's a different thing altogether. Option C is only giving me. First do the simple things, then come to the complex. Don't do option D. See, Hasan, is it clear now? Don't do complex things first. Make sure that your brain feels this is easy. So is it clear for everyone? All of you? Perfect. Then okay. Then fine then. So that's it about the logic gates. Almost all the questions. Okay. Yeah. Fine. So thank you everyone. Tata and bye-bye.